Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to add a 2x crop zoom shortcut to your camera on your Android mobile device. If you find this video helpful, please drop a like and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Alright, so in order to do this, you need to get an app from your Galaxy store, and it's only available on Samsung Galaxy or Android device. It's called Camera Assistance. So go ahead and open up your store here, your Galaxy store. Now from here, click on search, and now go ahead and type in Camera Assistance. There it is there, click onto it. This is the one. So go ahead and click on download and install. I've already got it pre-installed on my device. Once that has been installed onto your device, go ahead and open it up. And now you're inside your Camera Assistance. This has got more extra settings that you wouldn't normally get on your regular camera app. So here it is here, 2x crop zoom shortcut. So add a 2x zoom shortcut to camera. So what this does, this zoom uses a crop of the high resolution sensor to match the quality of an optical lens. So if you want to go ahead and enable that, go turn it on.